Nurses know that Australia is great. I mean, who wouldn't love it? We've got so much vitamin D. We've got better patient ratios, better salaries, there's more career development. People get excited and they want to migrate here. The issue is that they often want to do it themselves to try and save some money, and they don't realise Australian migration is really, really complicated and the visa fees are not refundable. So this is where we come in and we can actually assist to make sure that it is a smooth transition and that you're able to migrate without the stress. My name is Rhea Favole and I am the CEO and Principal Lawyer for SOLVi Migration. The reason I became a lawyer is quite funny. It was actually purely because I love to argue with people, and I used to work in the Department of Immigration in the communications and marketing area, and I used to argue with the legal team and they would say, well, you can't argue with us, you're not a lawyer. I went to a high court challenge, one of the things that I was arguing with them, and in fact I was right, and I was like, maybe I can become a lawyer. That is literally the reason why I became a lawyer, and then decided to take all of those skills from the department and to set up SOLVi Migration. SOLVi Migration is an Australian law firm that specialises in immigration law. We help healthcare professionals to get all of the right paperwork and understand and have the right visa so that they can have a successful migration experience in coming to Australia. To engage our services, it starts with a consultation, and that will be with one of our qualified Australian immigration lawyers or registered migration agents. We will formulate a comprehensive plan for you to make sure that you have the right strategy to successfully migrate, and then we take care of all of that paperwork for you. It can be right from helping make sure that you meet the registration requirements to actually practice in Australia, a skills assessment with the Australian Nursing and Midwifery Accreditation Council, making sure you have the right occupation code for whichever pathway you're going down, and then of course the visa documentation to help you and any family members who are coming as well. Leveraging my 15 years of experience working in the migration field, we're able to help our clients to navigate the complexities of migrating to Australia and avoid any costly pitfalls from trying to do it themselves. And that overall is going to mean that you have a faster, smoother experience. As a 100% remote law firm, we have staff located globally, which means we can be available to have Zoom consultations with you at a time that works for you. Our fixed price legal assistance ensures that there's complete transparency in what you're going to need to meet in order to migrate. Our service is unlimited, which means that once you're on board with us, you can ask as many questions, and it can include your spouse or partner as well until you get your successful migration outcome. The difference with SOLVi is that we do not sugarcoat our advice. We give realistic, strategic advice for you. We're going to put you in a position where you understand what is going to be required to get a successful outcome. So if you're an internationally qualified healthcare professional and you're ready to migrate to Australia, I invite you to click the button below.